Hello, hello, boys and girls. Friday the 13th. Yes, it's today, Friday the 13th in January 2023. In this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 puzzles left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cijfer block. And you are interested in the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle. Number 5787. 5787. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one. Yes. Where's my pencil? This one has 15 printed digits. Okay, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. I see here double 1. Here no, there no. A double O. Here 1, there 1. A double O. Here 1, there 1. A double O, here 1, there 1. A double 1, here no, there no. A double O, here 1, there 1. A double 1, here no, there no. A double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, and now. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. Okay. Time for comparing? Well, Need to think. Okay. Yeah. How about here? Double 1. This column and that column. Empty box. 00111 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Now we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Well, need to compare again, I think. Yeah, need to compare again. Well, look, this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. But it's not helping me here. Well, not true. We have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here in this column, the 4th O in this column, Then we have 4 ones in a row in this second column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. Of course, this should be a 1 because between 2 O's comes a 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Stupid. Overlook this 2 O's, yes. So here also O and a 1. Here also O and a 1. How about these? We need to look for, well, yeah. Look to the O's then. Here we have an O. Here. Here we have O. Well, let me think. This will be difficult. This column and that column. Well, 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. And between 2 1s comes an O. 1 2 3 4. Yes, completed in 6 minutes. Wow, you need to compare 1 2 3 times. Yeah, 3 times you need to compare. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.